Unlike traditional CAD, Gravity Sketch makes creating geometry fun and interactive, especially in relationship to other models to consider human factors, scale, and 3D form. To illustrate this, we'll create a rough sketch of our headphones on a mannequin head prior to creating our final geometry. To begin, I'll press the blue button in my non-drawing hand. I'll go to Prefabs and click Face. From here, I'll go to Settings, turn on Mirror, and Vertical Lock. The vertical lock prevents wobbling. From here, I can press the purple button in my non-drawing hand, and I can go to Ink or Stroke to create kind of a pencil or a pen. The ink has tapered ends, and the stroke is solid. So, we'll go to the ink, and we can use this border and grab it to bring it into our scene. So I can grab it and press Simplify Points. Again, if it's too much, you can press back. And you can move this by using Smart Move. So, to show this, what we can do is press the blue button in our non-drawing hand, go to Settings, and turn on Smart Move. For now, we just want X, Y, Z axis because we only want to move in specific directions relative to these axes right here. So, in order to move this, I'm going to intersect the grab sphere with my right hand, my drawing hand, and stack my non-drawing hand above or below. You'll see the color of the axis up here, and you can move along it by grabbing your dominant hand, keeping your hand stacked. If you see these arrows move away, it's because you're off axis. So now that we've moved it, we can draw another line, and to create the headband at the top, we can do this and delete the skinny parts at the end. We can press with our trigger near the line to create a new edit point and bring these two edit points together in the middle. Those will mirror them and create a seamless piece of geometry. From here, we can meet these up and deleting as we go as well by grabbing and pressing the delete button in our drawing hand. From here, we can do the same thing as we did before, but instead of just moving it, we can grab it and press the trigger in our drawing hands. That will enable us to duplicate along an axis. The last thing is if you draw a cable, right, they're not on both sides. So what you can do is press Bake Mirrored, and that will cancel the mirrored aspect of the geometry. Here, I'm going to go in and delete all these extra points. I'll press Simplify Points, have this kind of fun, squirrely cable, and then bring it up here. So that's how you create a rough sketch. And in the next part, we'll begin by filling out the geometry.